So listen, you may not know this, but you stand one trade setup away from finally realizing how to trade on that market right there. Now I get it. I know that some of you are still struggling to trade on the US30 and the NAS 100, but the way that I've broken down the US30 and the NAS 100, how to trade it using my trading framework, it is literally building my students' confidence. And my guarantee is when you learn to follow my trading framework step by step, it's gonna build that confidence and you'll be able to trade the market like never before. So let me show you guys a setup that I gave my students just today on the market and how you too could have won. Matter of fact, you could have dominated the market, hundreds of points. Check this out.
So I tell you guys all the time, everything starts off with a good level. And this level right here, this aqua level, I told my students, let's wait for the proper time to get in, wait for the setup. This turned into a 130 point setup. Notice at the appointed time we got into the market kept pushing up. You look left, you can see that the market went sideways the last time it was here. So guess what? The market did the same thing. It started going sideways here underneath this orange zone. But guess what? SIT carried the market all the way up. It pushed through the zone. All right, you can see, then it ran to our next moving average. And you can see that towards the top of the zone, we pushed through that. SIT carried the market all the way up. And here's the thing, when you follow SIT 2.0, you're gonna be able to ride the market all the way up and all the way down. More points than you've ever made while trading on the US30. Now, once we made it up here to the aqua zone, the market showed us that it was time for us to get out. And I promise you, once you learn SIT 2.0, you'll be able to do this too.
So if you're only watching and you're not getting involved and yet you're still losing on the US30, you gotta learn to do something better with your time because you're wasting a lot of time and a lot of energy and money at the same time. And I'm telling you, you're literally one trade away from realizing how to trade on the market the right way, especially on the US30.